Just make sure I'm recording. Yep. So let's talk about this amazing surge of XRP that happened pretty much this morning. Because it broke out. Actually, it broke out yesterday morning at midnight. But I'm gonna go ahead and draw the zones here. Here to here. Granted, this is on the 4-hour chart. Well, yeah, on the 4-hour time frame. So I'm gonna just draw a big zone here. So before this breakout of this zone right here, well, it did break out once, and then it shot back down to 56 cents. So that was a good opportunity, good pullback. I should say for you to get in. Then after that, it just went through the roof. It's approaching. Well, it's already approached 90 cents. I do predict that hopefully by the end of this week it might shoot up to $1. Let me see if TradingView has some zones for me on the higher time frame here. Weekly. Yeah, it doesn't have any zones for me. But I can just look at this and say that the next zone, I can look at these wicks here. I can just draw the zones myself. I'll say from right here, the wicks here. Then the next set of wicks are probably right from here to here. Right, and then we have I'm gonna count this as another area. And then we have this high area up here. Now the all-time high, as you can see, was back on the 1st of January, and that was at $3.30. Will it reach up to this point? I definitely don't know. People are predicting a $5 price prediction, I guess you could say, but I don't know. It may beat it, you know. But I think Ripple is still going through with their issue with the SEC. So, you know, we have to wait and see. I don't know. So let me go ahead and reset the chart and go back to the 4-hour. And right now we're in this zone here between 86 cents all the way up into 94 cents. So we're gonna wait and see if it breaks past the 95-cent zone. Well, first of all, I gotta break this 90-cent zone, which I think it will do. Like I said, it's still not too late to get into XRP. You still can continue to buy, and if you already got some, congratulations if you brought at the dip. And when we mean dip, we're talking about, if we go back in time, even in December, if you would have got some around here at 17 cents, oh man. At that time, I wasn't heavily invested into XRP. I'm still not heavily invested, but I should have got some at that time. But you know, I think this was during the time when it was getting in trouble with the SEC. That's when the first bit of news from the SEC came. So, and even during this time when coronavirus, the pandemic first started around March 14th, it was at a very, very low 11 cents. So if you definitely got it around that time, oh man, from 11 cents to now 88 cents, you pretty much increase your profit 8 to 9 times. So congratulations. So I just wanted to talk about XRP. I know they had a bit of news here where they acquires 40% stake in Asia lending, well, leading cross-border payments specialist Triangelo. I never heard of them, but something to help with the partnership to meet growing customer demand in the region and expand the reach of RippleNet's on-demand liquidity service, which use the digital asset XRP to instantly send money and reduce working capital needs. So they say Triangelo will play a critical role in supporting existing corridors such as the Philippines and introduce new ODL corridors within its current network. So anything to help Ripple right now, expand, which is a big plus, So now another coin I want to talk about, and I do own some coins in this, and that's Cardano. I don't know what's going on with Cardano right now. Yeah, let me scroll up because these other pairs here is just forex, but I do look at crypto as well, obviously with this channel. So yeah, I just want to talk about Cardano, real quick, and I just want to say, it's been kind of disappointing lately. I'm gonna go ahead and redraw the zones for you guys. Granted, this is the 4-hour. I mean, I'm not gonna sell what I have, but I don't know about this coin. I don't know. I'm not easy to give up on a coin, but the way it's been looking, it hasn't been pretty. So, all right. So if we look at the current price, it's been sitting in a zone since. In fact, you know what? Let me switch to. Yeah, let me draw on the daily instead of the 4-hour. Let's look at the daily. We'll get a better price analysis there. All right, so if you look on the daily here, it's been consolidating in this zone here since February, and that's pretty disappointing. And it's 2 months of just consolidation between these two zone areas, and nothing's going on. Only thing I see on their Twitter, if you go to Cardano, they don't really have any major news. They're just letting everybody know, wishing everybody a happy Easter, and then I know their block production will be fully decentralized. Yeah, but it's not really driving the price like with the decentralization, and I don't know. But like I said, I'm not gonna give up hope just yet. But like I said, it's just gonna continue to go sideways. That's my prediction right now, because people are predicting $3 Cardano, but it's still got a whole while to go before you get to that point. And we talking $3 is all the way up in this area right here, so still got a long way to go. You got to break out of this zone, and the good news is we know the all-time high is this area right here, this 1.48, $1.48. So it never broke that zone, but still you're even if you got around in this area before it just shot up, you're still profitable. And there was one day of a huge pullback, and that was on February 22nd. So if you would have got some around that price point, I mean, you're still profitable now. That we're talking about, still 9 to 10 times what you originally purchased. So if you bought, yeah, so if you bought $100 worth, I mean, now your portfolio should be around about $10,000, close to $10,000. So we talking about, yeah, we're talking about an 8 to 10 times gain from here to here. So, but yeah, right now, like I said, I'm just a little disappointed in Cardano. I thought, with all the upcoming things coming to Cardano, like if you go to Cardano website, let's see. Okay, yeah. Yeah, like I said, this is the major news that everybody needs to know. Like I said, it achieves 100% decentralization. Community now controls all block production. Like I said, you would think with that type of news that it would drive the price heavily, but like I said, just been playing around in between these two zones right here. So, but we will see within the next couple weeks here with the development of Cardano. And until next time, if you like this video, please like the video, please subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you'll know when the next time I drop a new video. And like I said, I came back yesterday, so expect more crypto based videos in the future.